first, I want to say that I love these floors. Like, the white floor just sets off the whole mood, the whole vibe. The lighting is just great with white floors. So I love the floors right here, as you guys can see. And then here is the open walk-in space, which I love. You get a nice big walk-in space, and you don't walk in like this. You get really a nice big size of space. And here is closet. And I feel like this closet is very spacious too as well. And my shelves, I can change the shelves, make it lower, and everything like that. So that's one thing I love about this closet. Simple and cute. So then I want to take you guys over here, which is my bathroom. Love my bathroom. I have my deep soaking tub. And I have my nice gray tiles. I love gray and white tiles, marble tiles. I just love it. And over here is my nice sink. I love my mirror. It's huge. It's nice. I can see my whole self. And then right here I have another mirror, which is a medicine cabinet where I keep like, you know, medicine and all that good stuff. Love it. I have nice drawers. So, super spacious and nice, super simple and cute. Love it. And then once you walk out of the bathroom, a little hallway, and then here is my bedroom. Nice bedroom. You guys, I love the fact that I have floor-to-ceiling windows in my bedroom because my last bedroom, I didn't have floor-to-ceiling windows, but I did have wide windows, but they just wasn't like this. And I just love the fact that I have like a whole view, and this view is like the bomb. So. And then over here is my closet. Very kind of similar to the one in the hallway. Same thing, shelf, nice spacious closet, super simple and cute. Cute. And then you walk out of here, and then here is the living room / kitchen area. I want to show you guys over here first. I love my marble countertops. Like, I love it so much. In my old apartment, I did have marble, but it wasn't white marble, they were gray. And I just love just the whole scheme, like the whole design. It's just wow. In here, y'all, I just felt so welcome because they gave me like a welcome gift. They even gave me champagne, y'all. Some nice little snacks in here, chips, you know, granola bars, all type of drinks in there. Here I have some discounts. So cute. They even gave me some cleaner, so when I clean my home, I have a little cleaner. It's just so nice. I feel like so welcoming and, you know, special. And then over here, I love my little lights. It just sets the mood in the kitchen. And then over here too as well, I have the same thing over here, the marble countertops. I have the white and gray scheme still going on with the cabinets. Then I have my dishwasher, which I'm going to be using. And I didn't use my dishwasher as much. I didn't use it at all. So this time I'm going to use it. And this is my refrigerator. Nice size fridge. My ice maker is down there. This time, y'all, I'm going to stack this refrigerator with nice healthy stuff. Oh, I didn't realize this right here. I can literally use touch so I can power it, freeze it how I want it. And right here, guys, is my washer and dryer. Now this washer and dryer is way bigger from the washer and dryer that I had before, which I love. So nice size washer and dryer. And then I have all of this open space right here for my furniture and everything. And y'all, the view again is like so nice. Like, 'cause I don't keep them.
'cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep. 'Cause I don't keep.
And this is my thermostat. So I have one over here, one over there. This is going to control the heat and air, all of that. And it also tells me, if you guys can see, I probably should show them on the other side. But it tells you the temperature outside, the temperature in here. I believe you can control the Wi-Fi and everything on here, so yeah, pretty cool. Another thing that I like is that I have a lot of plugs for chargers or anything like that. So I have plugs on the floor, so I have enough plugs. That's one thing that you gotta have is a nice long plug, so you don't have to use a whole bunch of extension cords. So that's one thing I like. This is the window. Here's how it opens. Now it's a nice day out here today, y'all. It's so nice. Let me close it up. It's the view, and then this is the view over here. It just go all the way down, which I love. And I know at night this view is gonna be so nice. Like the view is gonna be wow. I already know that. And I like my lights up here. I love these lights. But I normally, like during the day, which one thing what I love is that the fact that I don't have to turn on my lights in here. During the day I don't do that because I have so much windows, like for lighting, and it's fine, so that's one thing I love. Alright you guys, so today I will show you guys the amenities. It's music playing, so let's just keep it going because I don't need to be copyrighted. So here is the pool area, and like some nice lounge area. It's a beautiful garden, so I'm going to show you guys this first and then we can do the rest. Alright, so this is the garden area. You can come down here and relax, lounge, sit over here. There's a lot of places to sit. Over here is the pool area. And one thing I like about in here is that it has super high ceilings, so as you guys can see over here, everything looks like a pretty beautiful garden. So since the COVID and everything is going on, no one is able to get in the pool. But when everything opened back up fully, these windows are able to come open. So you know, it's like an inside and outside type of vibe. It's really cute.
'Cause I don't keep them. I never make promises. 'Cause I don't keep them.
And then it's really beautiful over here too as well. So out here with your bathing suit, you catch a tan. And you get a beautiful view of downtown Chicago. Barbecue on the grill. Fire come in here and lounge, watch TV. And it's just another lounging area. Then we're back in the pool area. And then this is the other side. So over here is the jacuzzi. This is another view on the other side. Here, this is the gym area. I'm gonna go through this in a minute. Over here, this is safety. Get over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you guys inside of the gym. In this area, we have classes, like yoga classes and things like that on certain days. So hopefully when this is all over, I'll be able to join the yoga classes and all the fun workout activities we do have. So this is part of the gym.
'Cause I don't keep.
Okay, so here is another place where you can play games, chill with your friends and family down here. So it's also office space as well. Why didn't you go over here? This area is really cute. Come over here and take pictures. You can see down here. No cigarettes. We smoke anyway.
Examples.
Crazy. Alright, you guys. Also, I like the fact that in all of the amenities, you have bathrooms, so you have to go all the way back upstairs to use the bathroom. So, it's bathrooms in all floors of the amenities, except for bathroom. Okay, you guys. So down here is the mail and the packages. So over here is the mail mailboxes. Simple, cute. The mailbox. And then what's my favorite is the packages, because your girl be getting packages. So I like this because if I don't have to be home to receive my package, it literally just goes straight into the hub. That's what it's called. So I'll get a code to my phone when I get a package, and all I have to do is come downstairs, scan it, and then my package pops out. So I like this a lot. It's very beneficial because I don't have to be home away from my package. It just comes straight in here. So that's my favorite. Okay. Okay, so I do have a package. So let's get it. It wasn't a package, but I have something. Alright, so here, open. Yay! That's how my packaging go. I don't even know how the cleaners go, but we do have cleaners, and I forgot how it go, but I gotta figure it out. But this is the cleaners. Yeah, we do have cleaners, so if I need something to be in the cleaners, I can definitely just come downstairs and get that done. Okay, my baby dolls, that's it for this my apartment tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm very excited about showing you guys the furnished apartment tour, so get ready for that. So yeah, I'm really happy about showing you guys the amenities this time in this apartment tour, because in my last one I didn't get to show you guys that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, because I will be filming down there, vlogging and things like that. So yes, I'm so excited, and I can't wait to show you guys the furnished tour, because I am right now at the moment furnishing my apartment and you know, doing all the little things to my house that I want you guys to see. So I love you, baby dolls, and I can't wait to share more moments with you guys in my new place. And I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video. Mwah.